Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a try not to laugh challenge. Let's go. First try not to laugh challenge. Also, quick disclaimer: I don't have computer audio, so if you guys can't hear the stuff, I will. I assume most of it's just gonna be like people cracking their nuts and stuff. So you'll be okay. Okay. So you'll watch and laugh with me, alright? All content in this video is 100% licensed, proper right holders. So yes, I did pick a video. For more information on content in this video, please. So, this video is all clean. It's clean. There's no bad things in there.
We've got a great video of the funniest fails of the week.
Funniest
and
fails.
Let us know what your favorite clip was in the comments below.
She's putting the thing in. It's alright. So, it would just... Well... Yeah, you gotta go.
Yeah. Okay.
$20 on the line.
The person who can move the money without touching the bottle.
Just the person who can move $20. The person gets $20. Whoever can move the money without touching the bottle. And you can't knock the bottle over. So they tried to slide it, and it broke. Nope, can't laugh, can't laugh, can't laugh, can't laugh. Can't laugh, I can't laugh. I can't laugh, can't laugh. Alright. Alright. Almost got me. Not good enough. I'm gonna try not to laugh, champion. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
I did that. You got a 53 and a 60. You can cheat. It's online.
So she got a 53 and a 60, and the dad's saying you can cheat, it's online. I can't laugh.
Did cheat.
She says she did cheat.
And you still got a 53 and a 60.
The dad says you still got a 53 to 60. No, I ain't gonna laugh. He's singing Hallelujah Sunday, blah blah. Listen, click. These people have like the messy. What is their house? That looks like it's gotta hurt. I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't laugh. And the llama sneezed in his face.
Oh my gosh.
What's this dude doing? Oh. Okay, that was really funny. Okay, that was really funny. You gotta ignore that. There's no sound on this one. Well. Okay, that's not funny. Aw, tequila doggy. Sorry, my eyes. Hey, I don't know how this lady is laughing. Oh gosh, you're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah, I said so. Oh gosh.
You got it. Just bomb it. Just bomb it.
Saying to bomb it. Oh, so he's in the golf club. That's funny. They had the girl on camera and whatever, and then the girl thing on camera, and I wasn't doing something. That was funny. That was funny. Huh. Her dog keeps like whatever. Sir, you're gonna hurt yourself. What are you doing? No. Not funny. Oh, he got like stuck on the ground. What? No. Oh, you guys missed that. Alright, let me get a took disclaimer. He just kind of like plopped in the ground. What is wrong with you? Like, I don't even feel... Oh, Ad. Hey, Ad. Eh? What you doing here, eh? Eh? Huh? I had a hoverboard. I never did that with it. This dude needs to go back to school to learn how to open a gate. Or maybe he just needs to, like, restart life. Wait, that's a replica of... If you're trying to be an artist, that's not gonna work out. Just letting you know. Sorry, my eyes. Why so many snowboarding ones? And he goes tumbling. Yeah. Baking it out.
I want to see him wipe out.
And there he goes. Is that all you gotta say? Like when you want something? I want to see him wipe out. And then it just... See you later. So many snowboarding. What's with the snowboarding?
Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. And tune in next week for another funny fails coming your way.
So here we got some funny pet things. Yeah, funny pet videos.
All the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time. But this dude
Her dog, she says her dog has, people are saying that her job is so fun, but really this dog has been barking for so long.
eating the entire bag.
I'm glad you guys didn't hear that, because that would have wiped out your ears if you heard that. Luckily I have my volume on low. I'm very smart. My eyes. So, imagine. Your cat just, sincerely,
Fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire day.
So your cat just kind of comes out behind the thing, goes up on it, and breaks your MacBook. How does that feel? Well, acting like you guys, I wish you could hear this because this dog sounds like. This dog sounds ridiculous. This dog, man. Hi, dog.
The cat crawled into the bird cage,
Mhm.
and now instead of the cat watching the bird, it's the bird watching the cat.
So the cat went in the bird cage. Instead of the cat watching the bird, now it's the bird watching the cat because like cats eat the birds. Get it? She's saying shake. She's saying shake, and she just keeps running away. She's barking. She's trying to say. She's saying to say aloe.
Nova Girl, they're going to call you next. Are you ready? Hello! What do you have to say about this matter? Tell me. Tell me. What do you think?
That was funny. I'm trying not to laugh. Kind of. I don't really know. I'm not doing a very good job, am I? Cats are never happy, dude. Cats are never happy. So his name's Barney. A. Right? Hi. Hey, Barney. Barney, stop sticking your butt. Yeah, she's saying you're a good boy. It's a good boy. That wasn't funny at all. They're barking at the map.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in,
So he's saying that apparently the people on TikTok.
and now we're TikTok famous.
So he's saying that apparently the people on TikTok like it when boom you walk into the thing and boom puppy. Now he's TikTok famous. Oh wait, I know this one. This one's actually really funny here. Oh, wait. Puppy has it. That's not. Oh, hi, cute cat. Hi, it keeps licking him. Look at himself. Oh, that's cute though. I like it. That's a cute cat. What? Oh.
He's doing so good.
Oh. She's making little chirping noises. Oh no, she just did. No, guys, don't worry. There's no sound. It's just her going. Well, do exactly what my dog does. Well, anyways, if you guys want, do exactly. Alright, if you do exactly what this dude is doing, and hit the subscribe button if you guys want, and then hit the like button and hit the notification bell if maybe you want to hit the notification bell if maybe